7 Things you will feel when you meet the right one. Have you ever thought about the right one? If you went through so many bad relationships, you are probably thinking how to find peace with the right man for you. On the other hand, if you don't have so much relationship experience, things like this probably haven't crossed your mind. No matter what the situation might be, we all think about the right man at some point in our lives. When we are not happy, we think how it would be to live with a man who could really cherish us and love us just the way we are. And when that happens, we will feel like we have never felt before. The day we meet our soulmate will be a special day for so many reasons, and if you want to know exactly how you will feel once that happens, read further because here are some of the most common things people feel when they meet the right one. 1. You will feel that you are ready. When you end a love relationship, you don't want to jump into another one so fast because you are afraid that you will get hurt again. You don't want to risk your heart getting broken again, and all you want is to live your life in peace. But when you meet the right one, everything will make sense all of a sudden. You will feel that you're ready to open up to someone new without being scared that he will hurt you. Something will simply click between the two of you and you will feel you have met your soulmate. 2. You will feel that he respects your emotional needs. When you meet the right one, he will respect everything about you. When you are sad, he will try to comfort you, or he will just leave you alone if you wish that. On the other hand, when you are happy, he will try to double your happiness by supporting you and being proud of you. A man like this is someone who you don't want to lose, and he will always be ready to go the extra mile for you. 3. You think about the future in the same way. It is very important that a couple shares the vision of their future. The problem gets bigger when you want one thing and your man wants another one, but if you are totally compatible about the things that future can bring, you are good to go. It is a sign that you have found your soulmate and that all you need is love. With a man like this, you will be able to talk normally and he will always listen to your opinion without judging you. He simply wants you to succeed and he will do anything to make you his forever. 4. You can be yourself in front of him. It is really important to be able to relax in front of your loved one. If you feel that you don't have to pretend in front of him and that you can be yourself, you can consider yourself happy because your man is a keeper. If he accepts you the way you are, it means that he loves you with all your imperfections. Some makeup and clothes doesn't play any important role in the whole process. He loves the real you, the human being underneath it all, and that is what is most important. 5. You feel so happy. The best possible way to know that you have found the right one is by paying attention to your emotions. If he makes you feel like the luckiest person alive, there is no doubt that he is the one. With the right man, love should feel like home, and if you are able to feel good in your own skin and if he helps you to forget all your life problems, he is the right man for you. With a man like that, everything will be so easy, without fighting, and you will finally feel like you made the best decision of your life. 6. You will feel like a better person when you are with him. When you feel that you are becoming a better person with a man, it is a proven sign that he is the one for you. If he brings out the best in you, you will feel like you did something good for yourself for choosing a man like that. You will be pleased to have a man like that next to you and you will never want to let him go. 7. Your gut will tell you he is the one. There can be so many signs that someone is perfect for us, but if you don't feel it deep inside, all is in vain. If you see the sparkles in his eyes when he looks at you, the way he reaches his hand to help you, his gentle kisses and pampering, you will know that he is the right one. Women have a sixth sense, so they can feel things like this. Even if things are not okay and when they are losing their heads for a bad man, their guts will warn them. So, if you feel he is the one, you can be sure that he really is, so don't be afraid to give him your heart.